Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make this delicious plantain porridge. If today is the first time you're seeing or coming across my channel, please sit back and enjoy every bit of what I've got to share with you. So this is how I made my plantain porridge. In case you've been wanting to learn how to make it in a different way, here I have my clean pots. I'll be transferring in my proteins. This is completely optional, and I went in with some sliced onion. Please be generous with your onion. You can't be wrong with adding so much onion into your food. Next, I added some bouillon and some curry powder. I'll be giving it a quick stir and allow it to bring out its own juice. I didn't add any additional water. I cook on a medium heat. And these are my plantain. I have two ripe and other ones are unripe. I'll be proceeding to slice them into this part. Feel free to slice into any shape and sizes of your choice. This is a ripe one. It will add additional taste and flavor to your food, your plantain porridge especially. Trust me, you can't go wrong with this. And now we are done slicing. I went to check my protein, my chicken, and at this point I added some water. Allowed it again to cook for like 15 to 20 minutes before adding my sliced plantain chip, my plantain. Next, I added a little more water, at least for it to cover at the top and allow it to cook properly. And I added my stockfish and my dry fish. I added some onion. Please, like I said, make onion your friend. You can't be wrong with adding enough onion to your food. I went in with another bouillon, some salt, and some curry powder for added flavor. Next, I went in with our ground crayfish. These are my pepper and obenyi. The obenyi is also called for fermented locust beans. And next, I added my red oil. I stirred to allow everything combined properly, and I checked to see that everything is okay. Feel free to add or adjust to any taste if in case anything is lacking. I covered and allowed it to steam for like 15 to 20 minutes. I came back and I gave it a quick stir, and then I added my scent leaf. This is my scent leaf. Please, if you like what you are watching, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notification whenever I post videos. Next, I added my pumpkin leaf, and that is the last vegetable I added. I didn't overcook, I just stirred and then lower the heat. Please do not overcook your vegetables, okay, for it to retain its nutrients. I gave it a quick stir to see that everything is properly combined. Guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye.